Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? Okay, I'm very well. Okay guys, before we start our lesson today, let's say Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay guys, before we start, I want to be absent. Please attention and listen with me. Okay guys, so do you know about our material today? Okay, if you don't know about our material today, I want to show you a picture. Okay, please look at the picture. What do you think about this picture? Okay, good. Okay, and in this picture, our material today is okay, what the meaning about this title? The meaning is hidup sehat untuk masa depan yang sehat. Okay, uh, uh, for this material today, I hope to you, if you have to learn about this material, you have to know about what the definition of healthy life, what the benefits, and what the application about healthy life, and what the example about the healthy life. Okay, I want to make you for B2B for group. Okay, the first group is okay. I want to give one group one material. Okay, the first group is you searching about what the meaning about or what the definition about healthy life, and the second group you are searching about what the benefit about healthy life, and then the third group you searching about what the application about the healthy life. The last group you searching about the example about healthy life. Okay, for all group, please you can searching in the book or Google. Is up to you. I give you 2 minutes for 5 minutes for discuss and searching with your group. Okay guys, time is over. I please the first group come forward and paste your result for your paper in the front of. Okay, the second group and up until the last group can paste your material in front. Okay guys. Okay, please attention guys. I want to give you work. Please, one of you come forward, come for another group and write the information, and then after that you can write what you gave about her about another group. Okay, write in your book, please. One of you come and read the material about another group and write down what you get about our material, our day material. Okay. Okay guys, please come for back to your place, and then the first group come forward in presentation their your material about what the definition, and the second group what the benefit about the healthy life, and the third what the meaning about what the meaning what the application about healthy life, and the example for the last group, the example. Okay, please for one of you to presentation your material. Okay guys, keep the applause for we are. Okay, please give your small message or small notes for me, and then any question so far? Okay, if nothing question, I want to give you a question. What the definition about healthy life or a healthy future? Okay, someone please maybe some. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention. Any question so far? If nothing, uh, please someone give the conclusion about our material today. Okay, maybe 50 or 60. Thank you very much. And the next meeting, our material is about holiday. For you for your homework, please write down your experience. Maybe in the maybe in the months ago or years ago with your parents, with your friends, and another. Write it in your book and the last meeting before this. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for your kind attention. Close the material today with say Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillah. Okay, thank you very much and see you next time.